The Philippines is one of the most biodiverse countries in the world. In this series, we take a closer look at the connections of man and nature within the various protected areas in the country. How the smallest of our actions affect the bigger ecosystem and community. And how, in the struggle between conservation and development, we find that fragile balance that guarantees our future's survival. I am Loren Legata, and this is our fragile Earth, protected areas of the Philippines. Nestled in the heart of the idyllic provinces of Camarines Sur and Albay, Buhi Wildlife Sanctuary stands as a beacon of hope and a vibrant testament to the relentless pursuit of biodiversity conservation. Amidst the tranquil waters of Lake Buhi is a concealed treasure of immense significance, the Sinarapan, the world's smallest commercial fish, finding its home at the Buhi Wildlife Sanctuary. With the declaration of the Buhi Wildlife Sanctuary as a protected area through Republic Act 11038, also known as the Expanded National Integrated Protected Area System Act of 2018, efforts to preserve and conserve this valuable resource were sustained and have successfully halted the decline of the Sinarapan population.
Naging protected area po ito dahil nandito po sa atin ang pinakamaliit na isda. Ito po ay merong taryang 1,620.95. Ang dalawa ay major lake, which is yung Lake Buhi at saka yung ating sinasabing Lake Denao na naandoon po sa probinsya ng Albay. So dito po meron po tayong tatlong lakelets. Yun po ang Lake Manapaw, Lake Katugday at Lake Makuaw.
Said to have been formed by the eruption of Mount Asog in 1641 that caused one side of the mountain to collapse and create a natural dam for the lakes to form. Lake Buhi, along with the three lakelets and Lake Danao in the town of Pulangi, comprises the main habitats for the Sinarapan and many other flora and fauna species within the Buhi Wildlife Sanctuary.
Nandito po sa Lake Buhi matatagpuan, lalong-lalo na po dito sa ating Lake Manapaw, na isa sa mga strict protected zone ang ating pinaka-significant na mga species din ng hardwood. Yun po ay yung dao, yung tangisang bayawak at saka yung kamagong. Marami rin ho tayong matatagpuan dito ng mga ibon, yung sinasabi po nating avifauna. Very abundant din po natin dito ang ating Brahminicate. Mayroon ho tayong mga wild ducks, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga lakes. At saka meron ho dito tayong igret. Marami pa po tayong mga ibon. In fact, meron pa po tayo ditong tagiktik.
The uniqueness and novelty of the Sinarapan being listed in the Guinness Book of World Records goes beyond mere acclaim, as the species itself is vital to the ecosystems thriving within these bodies of water. Its presence supports a delicate balance, contributing to the biodiversity that sustains the health and resilience of the entire habitat.
Ang pagprotekta sa Buhi Wildlife Sanctuary is crucial to maintain the ecological balance and supporting biodiversity. Sabi natin kanina na ang Sinarapan serves as a keystone species, regulating the population of larger aquatic organisms and contributing to the genetic diversity of aquatic life in the Philippines. Sa pagkukonserba ng Sinarapan, we safeguard the entire aquatic ecosystem, ensuring its health and stability.
For the IP communities of Agta, Tabangnon, and Agta, Simaron, the three lakelets found in Barangay San Ramon play an integral part in their daily lives. These lakes serve as their primary source of food through fishing and gathering, and of water for drinking, cooking, and other essential needs, ensuring the community's sustenance. Beyond their practical use, these bodies of water are deeply woven into the cultural fabric of the Agta people, representing their ancestral heritage and spiritual connection to the land. The lakes serve as their center for their traditions, rituals, and the passing down of knowledge from one generation to the next. This relationship of the lake and the IP community shows the importance of preserving these natural habitats, not only for their ecological value, but also for the survival of the cultural identity and way of life of these indigenous communities. Lake Buhi, on the other hand, has been designated as a multiple-use zone, allowing the community to use it for various purposes such as transportation, fishing, and other activities. However, pressing challenges persist within the protected area, including habitat degradation, encroachment on easement, and overexploitation of resources. Addressing these issues is the immediate goal of the Protected Area Management Office, which is committed to protecting and preserving the Sinarapan, ensuring the lake remains a sustainable resource for future generations.
At sa ngayon po ay ginagawa po namin na dapat i-allowed lang po natin sa ating municipal waters, lalong-lalo na po sa Lake Buhi, ang 10% allocation sa ating aquaculture. Kasi pag marami na po masyado ang ating fish cages, ang mangyayari po kasi dito is mawawala sila kasi nagiging prey sila ng ating mga ibang fishes na kinukulture po dito, yung tilapia.
As they face these daunting challenges, the Protected Area Management Board of Buhi Wildlife Sanctuary is not alone in safeguarding its most precious resource. The cooperation of people and institutions is crucial for creating the proper environment in which both the Sinarapan and the communities can coexist sustainably.
Makikita po dati na talagang puno na ng fish cage yan, yung Lake Buhi natin. But then, inimpose ko yung aking political will. Sa tulong po ng mga government agencies na tumulong sa akin, na-establish natin yon. Talagang pinaalis ko yung mga fish cage talaga dyan. So, at the same time, nag-establish din ako ng Bantay Lawa. Through an ordinance, talagang in-establish natin yan para mabantayan po talaga.
Ang ginagawa po ng mga IPs is tumutulong talaga kung ano ang palakad ng gobyerno. Yung barangay naman, inuutosan pinapatawag yung mga IPs, parang magpapatawag muna ng community assembly, mag-i-schedule kung kailan maggagawa doon sa leaklets. Yun po ang share nilang na tulong sa mga leaklets sa protected area.
Bali po yung water hyacinth, galing po siya sa Lake Buhi. So, hina-harvest po namin yan at the same time, karagdagan po sa livelihood po ng bukpa. Yun po ang malaking tulong dyan sa Lake Buhi kasi nalilinis din namin yung lake.
With the collaborative efforts of the Protected Area Management Board, local government units, and concerned groups, the goal of protecting the Sinarapan while simultaneously creating a framework that allows for the economic viability of the protected area is within reach.
Ang long-term goals natin para sa Buhi Wildlife Sanctuary are centered around creating a balanced, disaster-resilient protected area. Kasama dito ang goal to protect the habitat of the Sinarapan and develop sustainable ecotourism in the protected area. I-preserve ang mga indigenous practices ng mga Agta Tabangnon at Agta Cimarron, mga IPs ito sa lugar, contributing to cultural diversity and heritage preservation.
Sa ngayon po, nang ma-formulate po yung ecotourism natin, ang nagfa-function na po talaga yung ating Lake Danao at saka itong ating Lake Buhi na meron na pong Magindara. Meron ho yung boating, may photography, merong birding. Doon po naman sa kabilang lake, sa Lake Danao, meron ho tayong ikot na parang jogging trail, kayaking, and there is also a floating cottages na para mapuntahan ng mga tourists at ma-enjoy nila yung scenery ng ating Lake Danao.
In Lake Danao, school children are familiarized with the importance of protecting the environment. They take part in programs of the protected area, which gives them a clear and tangible example of caring for nature.
Buhi, nakilala ang Buhi because of the smallest fish in the world. Nakilala yung Buhi because we have the lake. Yaman ito namin, yaman ito ng Buhi. Talagang kinakailangan ma-preserve at maalagaan po talaga. Hindi lang ito para sa ngayon, for the next generation. Sana hindi ako matanong ng apo ko na, Lolo, anong ginawa mo nung mayor ka? Sana wag yun. Wag akong tatanungin doon, anong ginawa mo? Pero sa ngayon, may ginagawa kami.
Small yet vital, the Sinarapan of the Buhi Wildlife Sanctuary symbolizes our shared responsibility in protecting nature's wonders. May our efforts ensure they thrive in these waters, inspiring joy and stewardship for the present and future generations.